Let us solve this another expression. Let us convert this infix into prefix expression first using the direct method, and then we will use it. We will do it using stack. So you have two parentheses here. You have the left parenthesis and you have the right parenthesis. So first we will solve the left parenthesis here. Correct. So this is nothing but plus AB star C plus D minus E. Correct. So we have solved the first parenthesis. After that we need to solve the second parenthesis. In the second parenthesis we have plus and minus which have the same precedence, therefore we need to look for associativity. Here we look for left to right associativity. We solve C plus D first. Plus AB star plus CD minus E. So now this becomes operand 1 and this becomes operand 2. So plus AB star minus plus CD E, right? So here all the operators have been resolved except the star operator. Now this becomes our operand 1, this whole thing becomes our operand 2. So I will put star here as a star plus AB minus plus CD E, right? So this is our prefix expression for this infix expression, right? To solve it using a stack, I will just need to reverse the expression here again. So I will reverse it here itself. Carefully let us write the reverse expression. So here I will reverse it. I will say close bracket E minus D plus C open bracket star. I will close the bracket. I will close the bracket here again. I'll say here B plus A open. So close bracket E minus D plus C open bracket star close bracket B plus A open bracket. So let us resolve this expression or convert this expression now, right? We will scan from left to right and then we will see each and every token. So I will say here input stack and then output. Correct. Now the first token is close bracket. I will push the parenthesis into the stack, nothing in the output. Then comes minus. I will push minus into the stack, nothing in the output. Then comes okay, I'm sorry, so just delete this. After parenthesis we have E here, right? Bracket remains here. I will put E in the output, right? Then I have minus here, right? Now I will put minus after the close bracket and then E remains here. Then comes D, right? D is not an operator, therefore I will say ED. I'll say I'll have plus now. Now we can see plus has the same precedence as that of the operator in the stack, right? The incoming operator has the same precedence as the operator in the stack. We need to look for associativity. If the precedence is the same, we need to look for associativity. We cannot look for associativity at first. If the precedence is the same, then we look for associativity. What is the associativity here? Left to right. If the associativity is from left to right, according to rule number 4 video, we need to push the operator into the stack. Minus plus ED, right? We have seen till plus now. Then comes C here. C is not an operator, therefore I'll say EDC, right? Now after this comes parenthesis, open parenthesis. So I'll just write open parenthesis here itself, right? So then whenever I have close and open parenthesis, all the operators in the stack are popped out one after the other. So I'll pop out plus here and pop out minus here. Nothing is left in the stack. Correct. Then comes the star operator. Star, I will push it into the stack directly, right? I will push it into the stack directly. Then comes the closing parenthesis. I can put the closing parenthesis here. Then I will write it as it is, EDC plus minus. Then comes B, right? B is not an operator, so I'll say EDC plus minus B. Then comes plus. Right? Once plus comes, there's nothing after the parenthesis, therefore star closing parenthesis and then plus, and this remains the same in the stack. Then comes a is not an operator, therefore I can just put a here, correct. Then comes the open parenthesis. Once I have an open parenthesis, I'll pop all the operators in the stack. Then I can say here e d c plus minus b a plus. The only operator that is left is multiplication. We have scanned the whole expression and multiplication is left, therefore I'll pop this multiplication also here. Then the stack is empty. This is not my prefix expression, actually this is the postfix expression, therefore I'll convert this into prefix. So I'll just reverse it. I'll say here multiplication plus a b minus plus c d e, right. Multiplication plus ab minus plus cde, this is my prefix conversion, which actually is exactly the same as this method. So the direct method and the stack method matches, correct. I hope you have understood this expression, this conversion. Now we are moving from easy to medium level to complex level. So we have seen some easy level conversions in the previous videos. This is a medium level conversion, right. I hope you have understood this conversion. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching.